Hi friends. Welcome to Learn with Safi. In this video we are going to talk about self-introduction. This is the question which is mostly asked in interviews.
Almost all the interviews start with the question, which is introduce yourself or tell me about yourself.
You know, first impression is the best impression.
With this answer you have to impress the interviewer to make a great first impression.
It makes you to create a positive impression in the interview.
Why this question?
Interviewers ask this question to understand how much confident you are and how to do you express yourself and to observe your body language.
What not to say. Remember, don't talk about your personal or family life or some other profession which you like other than the job you are applied for. Now I am going to attend an interview for software engineer position. I shouldn't say my intro like this. For example, I am Julie and I studied in XYZ school. I have a college degree from ABC. I love photography and if I got a chance, I would like to take it up as a full-time career. What to say? While answering this question, you have to follow an order. You should not give any unstructured answer. You can start this way.
Firstly, you have to say thank you to the interviewer. For example, thank you very much for giving this opportunity. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. Next is your name. Tell your full name clearly. For example, my name is Safi.
After name you have to tell the place you are from. I mean your native place. For example, I belong to Chennai. I am from Chennai. Or you can say, I am a native of Chennai.
Only the highest educational qualification if you are pursuing any degree, just mention that. For example, I am pursuing MBA from Chennai University. I am a recent MBA postgraduate from Delhi University. Or you can say, I am a software engineer with 7 years experience in software development.
Project details. After your educational details, you need to provide your academic project details or your work experience. If you are a fresher, then tell about your academic project or industrial training program that you have done. For example, I have done my project work in ISRO when I was in final year B.Tech.
Work experience. If you are an experienced, then tell about your experience.
For example,
I am a software tester with 8 years of experience in the software testing field.
Mention your professional achievements such as related to academic point of view or related to your work experience. For example, I am a topper in my college. I have achieved Best Employee Award in my current company. This should show why you are a good fit for this job.
You can say your short-term goals and long-term goals. For example, currently I want to settle in a good organization where I get a good platform. You can say it as a short-term goal. Example of long-term goal. After 10 years I want to start my own business.
Just mention professional strengths which should be useful to the organization. For example, I am a quick learner. I am very hard-working.
Final step is closing in the end. You have to conclude the answer. For example, well, that was just a brief summary of my journey so far. However, if you would like to know any further details, I would be glad to share it.
You can answer the question, tell me about yourself like this way. As a fresher, good morning. Thanks for giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself before this panel. My name is Julie. I am from Chennai. I have done my schooling from XYZ School Chinity and graduation from XYZ College Chinity. When I was in the engineering college, I had made up my mind to become a software tester. I love to be a software tester. I have done ISTQB certification. I am good at SDLC and STLC. As a fresher, I don't have any work experience. But I am very passionate to work for this company as a software tester. My goal is to build a successful career as a software tester, which can help my company and me personally. My strengths are my positive attitude, punctuality, interpersonal skills and strong in management skills. My weakness is my emotional nature, which lands me in trouble sometime. This is all about me. Thanks for giving me the wonderful chance. As an experienced, good morning. Thanks for giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself before this panel. My name is Julie. I am from Chennai. I have done my schooling from XYZ School Chennai and graduation from XYZ College Chennai. When I was in the engineering college, I had made up my mind to become a software tester. I love to be a software tester. I have done ISTQB certification. I am a good software tester with 7 years work experience in the software testing field. When I started my journey with XYZ company as a trainee software tester, and in my last assignment, I have been associated with ABC company as a testee. I enjoy being a lead and the opportunity to empower and motivate my team. Although I love my current role, I feel I am now ready for a more challenging assignment, and this position really excites me. My goal is to build a successful career as a software tester, which can help my company and me personally. My strengths are my positive attitude, punctuality, interpersonal skills and strong in management skills. My weakness is my emotional nature, which lands me in trouble sometime. I am good team player and goal-oriented. My hobby is to write a blog. I run a website named Software Testing Material, where I write on manual testing, automation testing, mainly Selenium. Well, that was just a brief summary of my journey so far. However, if you would like to know any further details, I would be glad to share it.
You can use the sample answers mentioned in that video and modify as per your need and frame a nice answer with your own good words.
If you have any queries, please comment below. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to like the video and share with your friends.
Don't forget to subscribe this channel by clicking the subscribe button and press bell icon to get some interesting videos on Learn with Safi.
We will see you soon in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell.